Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point, Google's second generation of foldable phone, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, has gone through numerous leaks including its renders and a hands-on image. However, now thanks to our regulatory authority, we have received yet the best look at the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So, looking at the images, it confirms that Google is moving away from its short form factor, which we can say made the original Pixel Fold stand out from Samsung's Z Fold series tall form factor. As per earlier reports, the Pixel Fold 9 Pro will be 155.2 by 77.1mm, which is a well up from the 139.7 by 79.5mm of the original Pixel Fold. We can see the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has uniform bezels on the foldable display compared to its predecessor, which has significantly thicker bezels on top and bottom. Further, on the foldable display, Google has moved the selfie camera to the corner, and instead of placing it inside the top bezel, it is now will be given in a punch hole cutout. Now, talking about the back, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will ditch its iconic camera bar and will have a rectangular shaped camera island as also revealed by earlier renders. For the cover display, of course, Google's adoption of a taller form factor also affects the outer screen, and now it is set to be 6.4 inches up from 5.8 inches. Looking at it as a whole, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has rounded corners compared to the sharp corners on the recently launched Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So, what are your thoughts on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold design language? Drop your comments below. Now, specs wise, as per the well-reliable Google leakster Camilla, for the two selfie cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will have 10 megapixel selfie sensors, and it will be the 1/3.94 inches sensor size from Samsung. So this seems like a downgrade compared to the original Pixel Fold. For the rear cameras, as per the tipster, there will be the same, the 1/2 inches IMX787 with 48 megapixel resolution for primary camera and 10.5 megapixel telephoto with 1/3 inches sensor size from Samsung. However, the ultra-wide will see a change, and instead of Sony, Google will use a 12 megapixel sensor from Samsung with 1/3.2 inches sensor size. So expect no surprising change in the camera department, though Google may be able to do some magic with its optimizations. Anyway, Google launch event will take place on August 13, where they will launch a bunch of their products alongside the Pixel 9 series. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.